My name is Mahesh. I live in Regina, Saskatchewan, and I am originally from Nepal. Okay, this is my wife Shashi, and this is my son Rahul, and this is my daughter Sarah. When we first came to Canada, Rahul was only 5 months old, and Sarah was 3.5 years. My brother already was in Canada when I thought of coming here, and he was very happy here, and he encouraged me to come here. Then I started to do some research that how is it in the internet, and I thought that it's a really good country. It's a welcoming to immigrants and very multicultural country. Yeah, I'd like to talk something about like why Regina is a good city for a family. We are newcomers. Like we have seen like lots of the immigrants, they tend to come only in Toronto or Vancouver. But like Regina, small cities like Regina is also a very good place to raise our families. Like here, everything is within the distance of 15 minutes drive. We don't have to drive long way. Like I come home for lunch. Like it's 10 minutes driving, so I come home for lunch, and all the facilities are close. Let's run there. This colorful one. I first applied to the University of Regina. I had already a bachelor's degree from back home. So then I applied for University of Regina to do my master's there. So when I got admission, then I came here as a student. Then I studied there for 3 years and did my master's in computer science. Then after that, I started looking for the job. I work in iQmetrix software as a lead business intelligence developer. When I first started to work here about 2 years ago, the change I felt compared to my country is to the way we communicate with people. For me, the biggest learning opportunity I got is to observe how my colleagues communicate with each other, how they speak in meetings, how they write their emails. So that was the biggest learning opportunity I had. If somebody finds a job, then they will be very happy. So it is like they have to do their homework, they have to know about the job market here, which job is in more demand, what type of skills are required. For my wife, she was having difficulty finding a job, and they have a program called Bridge to Employment. So in that program, they will get the people who are trying to find a job, and they will train them for about, I think, like 6 weeks or 8 weeks, and after that they will send them in an internship type of things, like where they will go and work there for 2 months or 3 months, and after that the company can see how they can perform, and the possibility of getting a job will be higher if you do good. I had to try for about 10 months to find a job, and at that point this job I found is through networking. So I met somebody in the temple, they told me, and their friends was in this company, and I went through like that, and he recommended me in his company, and I'm really grateful to them, and that's how I got this job. This is the Hindu temple. We come here every Sunday. We also have here a Sunday school where they teach about the Hindu culture and values. So my kids come here every Sunday for 1 hour class. In Regina, we have temples for all faiths. We have like churches, obviously, and we have mosques, Buddhist temples, synagogue. So we have like a place of worship for all faiths. When we first went to the temple, many people came to us and asked us about, are we new here? Are we coming here for good? And they asked us, and they were asking if we need any help, we can ask them. And many people called us in their home, took us around, and things like that. So that really impressed us, and it was one of the main reasons to continue to stay in Regina. Regina is a small city, so people are very friendly here. And another reason I find is since the people from our part of the world here are not that many as in Toronto or Vancouver, so they are here very cooperating. Like if I have any problem, I can call 10 friends and they will be there for me. Yeah, I think I'm happy the way things has gone for me, and I'll do same again.